Okay, I invented a free reseller tool that you can make yourself. It's called the Pour Styrofoam Peanuts Out of a Trash Bag Without Spilling Them Everywhere as Much device. And it consists of a trash bag full of styrofoam peanuts, which granted I don't buy purposefully, but people ship stuff to me and with them all the time, so I already have them around, so I might as well use them. So it consists of a trash bag and also an oatmeal container that I have cut the bottom off of, left the top with the lid on, and taped securely to said trash bag full of styrofoam peanuts. And the idea is that you take off the lid and it forms a handy pouring spout for peanuts. And as long as you remember to shut your fan off before you pour them in the box, it's much neater and tidier than trying to scoop them or pour them from a box or something. So let's give it a go. So I'm about to ship out a record, a 78 record. So I always do them in these 12 by 4 boxes in a layer of some kind of void fill, top and bottom, and then a record cardboard sandwich in the middle. And did you see that? What an exciting pouring experience that was. I highly recommend that you eat some oatmeal and make yourself a styrofoam peanut trash bag pouring device. It's really made my life better, I've got to tell you. You could even suspend it from the ceiling if you had enough room, and that would be really cool, but I don't have enough room. And also, oatmeal is awesome. I have oatmeal every day. I love oatmeal. So it's a win-win. Hope this helps. Please click the like and subscribe, and thank you, and take care.